Hi, I'm Dr. Craig Butler, your Northwest Ohio chiropractor, and this is Andrea. She came in about a month ago, and what did we treat you about 3 times or so? And now it's been a couple weeks since I've seen you.
Yep.
So when you first came in, let's go over like where you were at. So you came in, you had a shoulder problem.
Yep.
How long was that going on?
That's been going on since last November. I couldn't raise my arm up. I couldn't move it back. I had surgery on it. I've had injections. I've had physical therapy, and nothing was helping.
So what kind of surgery did you do?
I had a manipulation, and they went in and shaved a bone spur.
Okay, and that really didn't help any
No.
of the back pain. So when we were doing the exam, we were checking out her shoulder, and then we were also looking at her upper back and neck, and she was really restricted in there. And then when I palpated in there and put pressure in there, it kind of caused your shoulder pain, right? So we decided to focus on that area. We worked on it a few times. The shoulder pain decreased quite a bit.
Yep.
And now I haven't seen you in a couple weeks. It's starting to flare back up a
Yeah.
little bit. So we're going to work on that same area again, see if we can get it back under control for her. And I just thought that was really cool. Man, look, you went like almost a year
Yeah.
trying to figure out what was going on with that pain. And
Yeah.
a few visits and you were better. You even went through surgery.
Yeah.
It was kind
That
of
was
a
not
bummer.
fun.
Kind of a bummer. But so we just don't want other people to have to go through that. Sometimes we can fix stuff like that you don't think you can fix.
Yeah.
So let's have you lay on your back over here.
Okay.
Scoot you down. Well, you're a teacher, right?
Yep.
So what do you teach? You teach
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten.
Yeah.
So you got to be able to move your arms.
Yeah.
Okay. Cross your arms. Right there. Okay. Then lay back. Good. One more. Great. Okay. Come on up. Bring it back in the chair over here. Okay. A little tight up in here. Any headaches or anything lately?
No.
Can you sit back? There we go. Same one here. Perfect. Okay. Then you just sit up. Gonna do a little stretch on your shoulders. It's gonna be a little tender.
Okay.
Let this come back. A little stretch. Good. Wow. That's been great. Cool. Okay. Feel pretty good?
Yep.
Okay.
That's
So I think we got you straightened back out. So I'll see you when you need me. Okay.
Okay,
All right,
thank
cool.
you.
Thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Craig Butler.